Air pollution is a common threat to health. This is where the PureMe mask comes into play for effective protection. PureMe is a true airtight respirator, like a gas mask. With a medical-grade silicone facepiece, it can be folded for easy storage. Once unfolded, there is plenty of space inside to breathe smoothly. The straps on PureMe, once put on, make an airtight seal. Combined with the facepiece, it will fit people of different face shapes. Additionally, it will cause no stress to your ears and can be put on and taken off easily. PureMe is built with minimal parts. With airflow design, air will go through the filter on one direction to extend filter life. As you exhale, air along with humidity and heat will exit through to keep it cool and dry. You will quickly find PureMe comfortable to wear all day. It is unrestrictive yet blocks out the majority of harmful particles. As the filter is placed inside a pod, PureMe is splash-proof that you can wear during a shower. It will protect you against air pollution, allergens, dust, dirt, and more. With its groundbreaking design, it is both lighter and smaller than respirators with comparable protection. For example, PureMe weighs only 1/3 of the other respirator. The filter of PureMe is modular. This means you can swap out for a new filter or upgrade to a P100 filter cartridge in just seconds. Alternatively, you can strip it down just as easily for a complete clean. The whole respirator can be machine washed. The silicone facepiece can even be washed in a hot water cycle for extra sanitation if required. With a detachable extension strap, you can wear the mask over your neck when it is not needed. PureMe, the gas mask that you can wear every day.